Chapter 99. Imagination is everything. It is the preview of life's coming attractions. And that's a quote from Albert Einstein. Research has found that your mind sees no difference whatsoever between visualizing something and actually doing it. Fact. Many sales professionals have challenges in their career in timeshare. So rather than think that you cannot sell to owners, people on packages, lawyers, teachers, whatever mental block you have, instead use the power of imagination. You must be careful what you say and think, because the more you repeat to yourself what you cannot do, the more you're instructing your mind to follow your instructions. I keep getting owners, I can never sell to them, they just want their gift. Oh no, not another couple on a package. They just book because it's cheap, I never sell to them. I always get lawyers and they always want to think about it. Imagine if the sales professional that said the above got their tour today and it was a lawyer who owned timeshare and was on a package. Deal or no deal. Just like you can imagine going out with a loved one after work for a romantic dinner, to imagine laying on a beach sipping cocktails when you've just booked your vacation, when you believe it and you see it in your mind, you will achieve it. You can imagine selling to owners, people on packages and lawyers. It's a choice. And there's one simple saying. What's the alternative? Think about selling or think about not selling. What will make you more money?